Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today let's turn any normal shiny nail polish into a matte finished nail polish. This works great and very easy to do. So let's get started. Firstly, apply a coat of your choice nail polish and let it dry. Well, disclaimer over here, I'm not professional in doing nails, so bear with me. And if you did watch my videos, you can see I've used this method a lot. So I totally love this DIY. Now you need some corn flour. Add some corn flour into a cup and apply a coat of a nail polish over your nails, and before it dries, dip your finger into the corn flour powder. After you're done, tap your finger to remove the excess powder. Repeat this for all of your nails. Note that it doesn't work with the shimmery nail polish as per my experience, but if you want to try, you can try. Now dip your fingers into water gently. And you're done. Remember, do not touch your nails until they're completely dried. Once they're dried, they will turn completely into matte. Also, if you see a layer of whitish powder forming on your nails, don't worry, just dip it into water for another time. And that's it, you're done. Your matte nails are finished. They look so classy and perfect. You can clearly see the difference over here. So I totally love this DIY, and if you do too, please do like this video and share it and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today guys, and meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!